Yeah, hello loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. My name is Ada. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you stretch mark cream. Okay, I have other stretch mark um creams and remedies on my channel. Okay, so you're going to choose the one that works for you. So this is one of them. So I'll be sharing with you this homemade cream that will help you get rid of stretch marks. Okay, if that sounds like what you're interested in, continue watching. So what we need is a plate. I have my plate here, and the first ingredient we need for this cream is Vaseline. That is Blue Seal Vaseline. Okay, pure petroleum jelly, original. So this is the Vaseline you'll be using for this. We are going to take half tablespoon of Vaseline. Then you are going to mix this Vaseline very well. Okay, let's add two half tablespoons, making it 1 tablespoon of Vaseline. Okay, so it depends on the how much of stretch marks you have on your body will determine the quantity you're going to make. So this is 2 half tablespoons, like making it 1 tablespoon of Vaseline here. Okay, then you mix. Okay, just do this mix for about 5 minutes to loosen up the Vaseline. So this is okay like this. Okay, so the next ingredient we need is coconut oil. We're going to take 1/4 teaspoon coconut oil, 1/4 teaspoon castor oil, then you combine the ingredients. The next ingredient we need is baking soda. We're going to take 1 teaspoon baking soda, so baking soda is very effective in getting rid of stretch marks. It gets rid of dead skin cells, and it also has a natural bleaching properties that helps fade stretch marks. So mix everything together. So guys, this is our homemade stretch marks cream. Hope you see how creamy it is. So I have my clean container here. So I'll be putting this into a container. So make sure the container you're going to use is clean. You know you're applying this on your skin. Make sure the container you're going to use is very, very clean. Clean, clean, clean. So I'm going to be putting this in here. Oops. So guys, this is our stretch marks cream. This cream will help get rid of stretch marks. Okay. So when you finish taking your bath, so your skin has to be very clean before you apply this on your skin. So how you're going to apply this is after having your bath, okay, you apply this on your skin in a circular motion. You scrub it on your skin like so. Scrub it on your skin. You're going to scrub it on your skin. You're going to do this for 10 to 15 minutes. Scrub it on the areas you have stretch marks for like 10 to 15 minutes. After scrubbing it on your skin for like 10 to 15 minutes, you're going to leave it for another 10 to 15 minutes, okay, on your skin. You're going to leave it to sit on your skin for another 10 to 15 minutes. That is after scrubbing it on your skin, okay? Then you wash off with water or lukewarm water, and that is it, okay? So you're going to be doing this every other day. That's 3 times in a week, okay? Do this 3 times in a week and you're going to see a positive change. Like you're going to see those stretch marks beginning to fade, okay? So do this 3 times in a week. So it depends on the amount of stretch marks you have on your skin, okay, to determine the amount you're going to make, okay? I also have other stretch marks remedy and creams on this channel, okay? So just choose the one that works well with you. Just try out this, okay, and choose the one that works well with you, and continue with it, and you're going to see a change, okay? It's going to help fade those stretch marks. Like it's going to help fade those stretch marks, but you have to keep doing it till you see a change, okay? So that's basically it, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. See you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.